Hey, crypto fam. Hold on to your wallets because I'm about to drop a bombshell that'll make your mining rigs overheat. Remember dogs? Well, there's a new dog in town. And it's not just barking, it's howling all the way to the moon. Ladies and gentlemen, meet Money Dogs, the latest crypto sensation that's about to set the digital world on fire. Now, I know what you're thinking. Another dog coin? Really? But trust me, this isn't just another Shiba Inu wannabe. Money Dogs is playing in a whole different league, and I've got the inside scoop that'll make your jaw drop faster than a falling altcoin. First off, let's talk partnerships. You know Mnemonics? That beast of a project that's been making waves? Well, guess who they've just teamed up with? That's right, Money Dogs. This isn't just a random hookup, folks. When a big player like Mnemonics gives you the nod, you know something massive is brewing. But hold on to your leashes, because that's just the beginning. Money Dogs launched a few days ago. By the way, if you have been into my Telegram channel, you'd already knew about it before everyone else. I posted it in my Telegram channel a few days ago. But only now I've got the time to create a video for you about it. So if you want to be ahead of the game, join our Telegram channel. Anyways, let me break it down for you newbies out there. Money Dogs is following the playbook of Dogs. You know, that little project that's about to list on the 14th? Yeah, that one. And we all know how that story's gonna end, with a lot of happy hodlers counting their gains. But here's where it gets really juicy. Money Dogs isn't just offering you a chance to mine some coins. Oh no, they're rolling out the red carpet for early birds like you've never seen before. We're talking massive coin bonuses just for signing up early. And get this, they've got a passive earning feature that'll have your wallet growing fatter than a well-fed bulldog, even while you sleep. And if you thought that was exciting, wait till you hear about their referral program. They're not just offering more coins, they're throwing cold, hard USDT at the top referrers. We're talking $100 for the top dog, $50 each for the next 9, and $5 each for the following 90. That's not just an incentive, that's a declaration of war on every other crypto project out there. By the way, we're trying to get to be number 1 in their giveaway, or at least a good spot. If we manage to do so, I will give 50% back to the community in my Telegram channel. So if you feel like you want to help out or be a part of it, join the link in the description below or in our Telegram group. But why should you care about their referral program if you're not planning to be a crypto influencer? Simple. It shows they're serious about growth. They're putting their money where their mouth is, investing in their community. And in the crypto world, a strong community is worth its weight in Bitcoin. Now I know some of you might be skeptical. Is this just another pump and dump? Let me stop you right there. Any project willing to invest this much in community building isn't looking for a quick buck. They're in it for the long haul, and that means potentially massive returns for early adopters like you. So, how do you get in on this action? It's simpler than teaching an old dog new tricks. Just click the link in the description, and it'll take you straight to their bot. Hit Let's Go, and you'll be mining Money Dogs faster than a greyhound chasing a rabbit. But wait, there's more. Make sure you connect your wallet. We're talking Telegram wallet or Ton Keeper. This isn't just some optional step, it's your ticket to the big leagues when Money Dogs takes off. And speaking of taking off, let's talk timing. This project is moving faster than a chihuahua on espresso. It launched only a few days ago, and it's already making waves. The early bird benefits won't last forever, and once they're gone for good. We could be looking at a launch as early as next month, so the clock is ticking. Now, I'm not saying Money Dogs is guaranteed to make you a millionaire, but what I am saying is this. In the fast-paced world of crypto, opportunities like this don't come around often. When you see a project with solid partnerships, aggressive growth strategies, and a community-focused approach, you'd be barking mad to ignore it. So what are you waiting for? The crypto train is leaving the station, and Money Dogs is in the first-class carriage. Will you be on board, or will you be left behind at the platform, watching others ride to potential riches? Remember, in the world of crypto, fortune favors the bold, and right now, the boldest move you can make is to jump on the Money Dogs bandwagon before it becomes a rocket ship. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. We're always sniffing out the hottest crypto opportunities, and trust me, You don't want to miss what we've got coming next. So, are you ready to join the pack and potentially change your financial future? The link is in the description. Let's make it rain, money dogs. This is your crypto boy. And before signing off, here is a huge shout out to all of my Epic channel members: Mohammed Albada Moyikaura, Enoxon001, Marinovaitube, Okemdi Chiemamezi, Behind Wheels, James Peter Edit, Engerchukwanonso Chioma, Osundeko Sesan, Yahaya Haruna Idris, Adi Queen, Jacob Malo, Ikene Okwosa, Sir Faithy, Michaela, Akinwal Johnson, Godin Walby, Damian Dickman, Nick, Angel Phoenix, Ogechi Destiny, Ekwime Kingsley, Bipolaroid, Alexithemia, Dota Nayeni, Tochukwu Lawrence, Chika Egbo, Benedicta Meka, Ifadigbo Chukwibuka Nduka, Obianuju Purity, Lorena Canaresio, Mohammed Labaran, Jazzy B021, Raymond Sunday, Ihamadu Christopher, Dr. Parasites, Cleavithson Wealth, Ruth Ekanem, Raida Musa. Thank you guys for supporting me. You are amazing. Stay hungry, stay epic, and most importantly, stay bullish on money dogs. Peace out, crypto pups.